Hi, I'm Drew Taylor with High Resolution Engineering, here to showcase our new Video Village rental package. We're based right here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we ship nationwide. With decades of experience and top-notch gear, you can trust you'll have everything you need to produce an epic, impactful event. So what's all included in our Video Village package? Let's check it out. At the heart of the system is a Ross Carbonite switching system driven by the touch drive TD2S panel. This is the wider panel with the extra memory bank section, making saving and recalling memories and presets even easier. In the switching rack, we have a Carbonite Ultra 12G 3G switcher. At a flip of the switch, you can run an HD or 4K mode. We've got an 80x80 12G router for plenty of inputs and outputs to handle all of your cameras, displays, computers, everything you plug into the system, go through the router. Also included, we've got a PRISM 12G SDI scope with 4 4K inputs and a Lilliput 4K engineering monitor. And for records, we have the AJA 12G KeyPro Ultra. These will record a single channel of 4K, or we can record 4 channels simultaneously of high definition. Great little record decks and very versatile. Here we have our 4K PTZ cameras, the latest high-end PTZs from Panasonic, the AW-UE160. Some of the upgrades in this camera feature smoother motors, so you get nice smooth motion while following your talent around stage. There's an upgraded optical image sensor, so you can bring in more light and get a better image quality. They also feature a 20x optical zoom. Coming over here, we have the RP150 controller. This is the industry standard pan tilt zoom controller. So you can see what I can do here with the joystick, move the camera around to follow my talent. I can save and recall presets here and even hook up tally so that my camera operator knows which PTZ is live. To complete our tour of the HRE Video Village, we have our Playback Solution with the M3 Max MacBook Pro kit. Here we're running Millumin, which outputs to an external box to give us 4 SDI outputs that we can run at 4 1080p or 4 4K outputs, and that completes the SDI workflow as part of our Video Village package. So that's just a brief overview of our new Video Village rental package. It's available as a turnkey solution with everything you see here, and we also have the individual major components available as rental kits. Remember, kits, not boxes. For more information on the Video Village package and our other rental kits, check out our website at highresolution.tv.